We are going in with a buy USD Canadian. We go home with bread or nothing. Come on, we are predicting a buy. 2 seconds. Buy, come on, look what I'm telling you.
It took me 1 minute to make $100,000 with this agile strategy that I'm going to give you today. If you keep it to yourself and don't show brokers what you are using, you'll be able to make your first million and be like this billionaire trader who bought a G-Wagon for himself and also for his wife. And after making a lot of money from his mobile phone, now he's traveling all around the world. This billionaire strategy is my simple as the new thing. So this video, I'm going to make it as short as possible. First, you have to add the indicators that you'll be using. So add the first indicator. So you go to indicator section and then you click on moving average. For period, you want to change it to 20. Method, simple, apply to high. And for the color, you can use any color that you want, but I recommend you use green. Now we need to add the second one. We go to indicators, then you come to moving average. Period is 20. Method, simple, apply to low. And for the color, you can use any color that you want, but I recommend you use red, cell 4 pixel. Now click done and you have the indicators on your chart looking exactly like this. With this strategy, you're looking to make the most amount of money in the shortest period of time, so you'll be focusing on these big candles that you have right here. These big candles happens during news event or speeches, so it is actually easy to know when this actual news event is about to happen. Like for example, this Friday there's a big news event called NFP which is going to happen. You also be able to apply this same strategy and make money when NFP goes up or if NFP goes down. So let's say the market's right here just before this actual big event. So what you want to do is to look for the previous high above where the market is, which is this one, and then the low which is below this actual level where the market is right now. So from where the market is, you want to look for where is the market coming from. You can actually see it's coming from this actual level, which is the same where we have these actual indicators, and now it's going towards this actual high, which means when the news event comes, it actually push the market to actually go in this actual direction. And that is all you need to know to enter a buy trade and make 130,000 in 1 minute. Now we have another example right here. This is a big candle which happened during a news event. So before the actual news event, you want to mark the highest point where the market was and also the lowest point which is below this actual level, and these are your two levels that we have right here. Now let's zoom in so that we can actually see everything clearly. So you can clearly see that between these actual two levels, the market is coming from this one at the top and going towards this actual level which is at the bottom. And at the same time, when this actual candle happens, it is below this actual red moving average, which means the market will actually push it down. The only time that you don't trade with this actual strategy when you have the market forming a low like this and then a high like this. So when you now mark the high that you have and also the low that you have, you can clearly see that the market is coming from this actual level which is above and now starting to go down, which means the news event will actually push the market to actually go down. But this is happening when the market is above these actual two indicators, which means if the market pushes it down, these actual indicators will also act as support. This way, even though this actual candle is big, you can actually see that it stopped very quickly before it actually reached this actual bottom. Sometimes it can even reject and start to go the opposite direction. So the best thing to do during these market conditions is to not trade, but look for a pair which has a clear pattern and also a clear direction like right here, so that you know the market will actually go in that direction and even make you more profit in just 1 minute. And a bonus trick that brokers don't want you to know, let's say you have gold telling you that the market is about to go up, and also you have GBP/USD or USD/JPY or another pair also telling you that the market must go up, and you only have $100. You don't just put all your $100 on gold, but what you do is you open two accounts, one account with $50 and the other with $50. For the first one, you're going to be trading gold. Then for the second one, you'll be trading the second pair, which can be GBP/USD, USD/JPY, or the other pair. Then you use this other $50 to buy gold, and then this other $50 to buy GBP/USD. If the market moves nicely on gold, you can easily make an extra $100 $100, $500 from this actual trade. And if also GBPSD or the other pair also move nicely, you can make $50, $100 on this other pair. But if it happens that gold actually moves up and down and forms a whipsaw, you can lose this other $50, but on this other account, you can now recover that $50 so that you are left with altogether $100 in your trading account. This is a secret that Forex mentors don't want you to know so that they can only make money on their own. Even brokers don't want you to know this actual secret because you always win each and every news event this way. This is More by Forex. See you on the next video.